Think digital skills are just for tech jobs? Think again. In today's world, not having them is like trying to navigate a city without a map. Let's talk about why mastering digital skills is no longer optional, and how they're the secret to staying relevant, no matter what you do. In this video, I'll explain what digital skills really are, why they're critical for every career, and how you can start building them today. Plus, I'll share tips on using these skills to stay competitive in a digital-first world. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for mastering the tools and technologies shaping the future. Digital skills are simply your ability to use technology to solve problems, communicate, and create. They range from basics like typing and using email to more advanced skills like coding, data analysis, and understanding artificial intelligence. Here's the thing. Digital skills aren't just about working in tech jobs. Every industry, from healthcare to education to finance, is adopting digital tools. Whether it's using project management software, designing a marketing campaign, or interpreting data, digital skills are now a basic requirement for almost any role. Start with the basics. Learn to navigate software like Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. Master basic internet skills like online research and email communication. Level up with training. Take online courses in areas like coding, digital marketing, or data analytics. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn. Learning are great places to start. Get hands-on experience with tools like Canva for design, Tableau for data visualization, or CRM platforms like Salesforce. Practice daily. Use digital tools in your daily life, like organizing tasks in Trello or creating budgets in Excel. Explore free resources like YouTube tutorials to learn on your own schedule. Stay updated. Technology evolves fast. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and join online communities to keep up with the latest trends. Let's talk about why this matters. Job opportunities. Companies are prioritizing candidates with digital skills. If you can use digital tools effectively, you'll stand out in any hiring process. Higher pay. People with advanced digital skills often earn more because they bring higher value to organizations. Flexibility. Digital skills make you adaptable. Whether you're switching careers, starting your own business, or freelancing, you'll be ready. Global relevance. Digital skills are universal. They open doors to remote jobs, global collaborations, and more opportunities than ever before. Here are a few advanced digital skills worth considering. Data literacy. The ability to understand and analyze data is key for decision-making in any job. Cybersecurity awareness. Knowing how to protect information online is a critical skill in today's world. AI and automation. Even a basic understanding of how artificial intelligence works can put you ahead in your field. Digital collaboration. Tools like Slack, Zoom, and Asana are essential for working with teams efficiently, whether you're in the same office or halfway across the globe. So, here's the bottom line. Digital skills aren't just nice to have anymore. They're your ticket to success in the modern world. Whether you're managing your career, growing a business, or just staying ahead of the curve, investing in digital skills will pay off for years to come. Comment below with the digital skill you're excited to learn next. And don't forget to subscribe to Future Skills for Part 4 of our series on insights to the future of work. By the way, be sure to watch Part 1 and Part 2 of our series.